how to download pictures from text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Messages app. Now here, scroll down and click on Conversation. So after click on Conversation, so your picture is showing on your screen. So if you want to download pictures, so just click and hold on picture. So after just click and hold picture, so select pictures. After select picture, now here showing you download icon. So if you want to download pictures from text messages, so click on download. So after click on download, you will see your picture is download. So after the process, go back to home screen and click on gallery app. So your all downloaded picture is showing on your recent folder. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can download pictures from text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.